Hi, my name is Ryba. I'm a new podiatrist here at Lone Star Orthopedics. I chose to go into medicine because it's something that will challenge me but also allow me to deal directly with people. And that's always something that's been important to me, is getting to know people and help people, and medicine allows me to do that. The reason I chose podiatry specifically is that it's kind of a broad spectrum of what you can do and who you can treat. So I was born and raised in small town Nebraska. I went to undergraduate school in small town Nebraska, primarily to play football, but that's where I got more involved in science and healthcare. And so I went to medical school very close to Nebraska in Iowa and at Des Moines University. The thing I'm most looking forward to about working at Lone Star are the people. By far and away, everybody here has a great reputation regarding patient care. Everybody is down to earth here, willing to go the extra mile, it seems, for you. And so it's a very tight-knit group here, and I'm excited to get involved. We're blessed to be able to do what we do and feel privileged every day to be given that opportunity. Obviously, not everybody has a perfect outcome, but a lot of times just having patients say, "You changed my life," is an incredible feeling.